Hey guys, so I finally decided to make a full interactive video of a design project. This, as you guys can tell, there's a lot of color going on behind me. It's very different than my usual style of white, black, gray. But I'm really excited. I hope it comes out amazing. So besides the electrical work and replacing the closet doors, I did everything myself. It wasn't too difficult. The painting is just kind of tedious, and putting the furniture together was also a little tedious. And the floor was also kind of tedious. It was all really kind of tedious. Yeah, but it's doable and it saves you money. So we started off by installing a ceiling light in the bedroom. I ordered this fixture from Amazon for about $100. Next up, we had some mirror closet doors installed. I ordered these from Home Depot, and I thought they would add a great touch to the space. I also spray painted them gold to save on the cost. The gold doors are about 3 times the price, so I figured some spray paint would do the trick. Okay, so I'm getting ready to do a second coat of paint. And once that's done, I'm gonna be putting together the furniture. Like I said, the bed's already assembled, but the gold bar cart came in today, the side tables came in, and the 2 pink accent chairs are going to be... Who is texting me? I wanna grab a drink today. No, I don't actually. So, yeah. And then we're gonna have 3, I'll show you guys like how I measured everything out, but we're gonna have box 1, box 2, box 3, and then the smaller boxes underneath them. Decided that I wanted 3 32-inch panels. So 32 times 3 is 96 inches. So the 3 panels are gonna take up 96 inches of the 134-inch total length. So 32 times 3 is 96. 134, the total length, minus 96, the 3 panels, is 38 inches. So the 38 inches is what we need to determine how much space to leave in between the panels. And then I'm going to use painter's tape to just sort of lay it out on the wall and avoid any mistakes. I make a few slight adjustments. I'm going to take the tape off. I'm gonna finish cutting the wood, and then I'm going to attach it to the wall using wood glue and a few nails. So now I'm pretty much taking all my pieces of wood and I'm cutting a 45-degree angle on them so that it can line up into a perfect square. Using this So we are going to DIY our outlet covers. I was gonna buy gold outlet covers from Amazon, but they were like $12. And I said, you know what? These cost like 25 cents. So we're just gonna spray paint it gold and leave it at that. These are some old outlet covers I did, I don't know, a long time ago. Just spray painted it and I covered it with glitter. So you can do pretty much any design you want. You can add rhinestones to it. You could use contact paper and just stick the contact paper on it. Totally up to you. So condos and carpets equal creative ways around the rules. So we're going to be using a peel and stick hardwood tile. I'm using a layer of poster board underneath it, and I'm gonna put some rug tape underneath that so it sticks to the carpet. So for materials, I'm pretty much just using a rug gripper so that the poster board can stick to the carpet. Some scissors. These are the peel and stick hardwood panels from Home Depot. So I put the tape down, and now I'm just gonna take the poster board. I'm gonna leave the laminate side up and the paper side down, and I'm just going